I might hate catfish, but my catfish was bigger than my grandfather, so currently I like this little man. I might even spare his life instead of feeding him to the heron. My catfish was bigger.
At least I caught some bait.
No, I'm gonna feed this to the heron. Come here, little man. Hey, don't hook me. Strange maniac. I got the bigger catfish now.
I don't care.
You do care.
Oh, I don't.
I can't even feed this one to the great heron. It's too big. It's not quite a seagull or as big as my last catfish, but it's something, I guess. I don't really have a tape measure. Let me get the yardstick, I guess. And won't get too far. Alright, let's see here. Hold still. About 6.5. What about the friend here? What is that? 7. Hello, little vicious thing. I think that one just gave up on life altogether. One last catfish for the day. Also, both of those crabs were female, so I released them.